Today, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted recommendations on the YouTube app. If you're tired of seeing certain videos pop up in your feed, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, scroll through your recommendations. If you see a video you don't want to see, let's take actions. Now tap on the three dots next to the video you want to remove. This will bring up a menu. From here, you can select Not Interested to tell YouTube that you don't want to see that video again. You can also choose Tell us why to give specific feedback. For example, if you don't like the content or if it's a duplicate of something you've seen. Now, if you want to remove multiple recommendations, you might consider clearing your watch history. Tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, tap on History and Privacy, and you can simply click on Auto Delete or Clear Watch History like this. This will help reset your recommendations. And that's it. You now know how to remove unwanted recommendations on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.